Hey, what's up, guys? Old School Dan here, and long time no see. I hope you've all been keeping well during these times. It's been too long since I put out a vid and actually shared some valuable information. Today's video is a strength-focused leg workout. In this first video, I'm starting off with abs to warm up my core before my compound lifts. Most people would think that this would actually weaken your squats or deadlifts, but I feel like it actually improves them. You know, your core is your body's brace. It works just like a belt. So if your brace is stable enough, it should protect your lower back, with while you're doing your compound lifts like your squats or deadlifts. So a lot of people wear a belt when they don't necessarily need to wear a belt. If you have lower back problems or if you have, some type of issue, it could be from weak core strength, or you could actually really need a belt. If I'm going super heavy like I am on these squats, I'm only doing 3 reps here, I definitely need a belt. But if you're going like 6 or 8 reps and you're taxing your body where you really need the belt, then you should wear it. But I try to stay away from the belt because I feel like it's a crutch. If I don't necessarily need it, then I don't use it. I just work a lot of my core and try to use more of my core during my my squats or deadlifts when it's a bit lighter. So that way the belt isn't a crutch. It's like having to use knee sleeves when you don't necessarily need them. If you really got fucked up knees and wear them. But if you're healthy and you want to look deeper into the issue as to why you're having knee pain or why you're having lower back pain, it could be your technique, it could be weak core, weak brace. And in this clip, I'm going for 5 reps. So I'm keeping the volume low. Like I said, this is a strength workout. I'm working towards maxing out in the next couple weeks. So I'm going to be filming those lifts. I think it's next week I'm actually maxing out. So I'll be recording that very shortly. And here we got trap bar RDL. I'm only doing 3 reps. My main focus with this phase and with these last few months is that I've been working a lot on my hamstrings. I feel like they don't have enough development, they don't have enough striations, and they don't have enough strength, and they're not as big as I want them to be. Because when I jump back on stage, I don't want to have any weak points. Everybody's gonna have weak points, but I really want to make sure that I take this time during the off season to really work on them. So this next set, going for 5 reps, having the toes elevated to get a deeper stretch in my hamstrings, getting a nice big flex on the top. And if you're curious about what my current body stats are, I'm at 9% body fat. I'm 164 pounds, and for anybody who's curious, I'm around 5'9.5" in height. Sometimes I just tell chicks I'm like 5'10", just because everybody rounds, like girls round, guys round their height. Everybody does it. It's nothing to be ashamed about. Whatever. So over here we got lion leg curls. I'm only going for 3 reps on this set. The next set I'm going for 5. Now most people would disagree on going that low of a rep on an accessory exercise like this, but it's something my coach programmed, and I trust him because he's strong and he's coached people into powerlifting meets before. So I'm going to trust his guidance on the low rep ranges for a lift like this. So a new series, a spoiler here, a new series that we're working on is called Rebuilding the it's called Rebuilding the Silver Era Physique. Now I'm not going to share any more details because I want to keep it just like that. I want it to be a big surprise, and I'm going to leave it just there. So here we got seated calf raises, 3 sets of 4 reps. Keep it nice and heavy, so my coach programmed. It's good to strengthen all those secondary muscle groups around your stronger lifts or your stabilizing lifts or whatever you want to call them. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you got any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that. And if you just want to show love, drop a comment. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. I'm Old School Dan. I'm gone.